right? Now oils, coconut, groundnut and sesame. Coconut, peanut and sesame. Next is spices. These are the spices. That first is your cinnamon, clove and black pepper. Next is beverages. नाउ सोरिंग एजेंट मतलब जो खट्टी चीज होती है, फर्स्ट इज टैमराइड, इमली को कहते हैं. रॉ मैंगो, and lemon. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, monkey apes. You have to write true and false over here. So human beings belongs to a group of mammals called pyramids. It's true. Monkeys have very well developed hands, feet, especially for grasping branches. Is true. Monkeys have very poor eyesight. It's true. False. Baboons are large monkey which are found in open countries. It's true. A group of monkey. It's true. A group of monkeys termed as troops. It's true. A name of the monkey god who helped Ram to kill Ravan was Indra. It's false. The many followers of Hindu religion considered monkey as sacred animal. True. Hanumanji माना जाता है उनको. Ancestors of man were ape that lives on tree. It's true. Apes walks in the two legs with hands free for carrying things. It's true. Apes are intelligent as human. It's true. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 3. Where are they? So fill in the blanks with the clues given. So the dash is a huge. So the mouth is a huge grazing bird from New Zealand. The Asiatic lion, the Asiatic cheetah, was one found in large number in India. The dash are the large pigeons like the bird that cannot fly, was hunted by sailors for its meat and it exists today. That is dodo. A Spanish that. So Spanish Linux. Spanish ibex is also vanishing fast. The passengers that's in exit, that is pigeon. The bird called dash is in the verge of extinction. Extinction पे है. That is bald ibis. African dash. So African black ram. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 4, that is flying is fun. So here we have to give the names of some birds. What is the term used for the long journey that some birds take to spend winter in one place and summer in other place? So हम क्या कहते हैं? Migration. Name a bird that comes to Europe to the nest in the summer and fly to Africa in winter. How do migratory birds find direction? With the help of sun and star. Which bird nests in the Arctic and spends the winter in Antarctica? That is Arctic tern. What is the group of eggs in a nest called? Name two birds that make nest in the ground. And kingfisher. Name a bird. Many baby birds stay in their nest with their parents and they have to feed them until they can fly. Name two baby birds that can walk and find them food only few hours after they are hatched. So, कौन है? That is your chicks and duckling. Name the hunting bird. Ostrich, eagle and your hawk. कौन सी है? सॉरी, ईगल, और falcon. What is the word used for claws of hunting? That is talons. इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Talons. Next is which is the largest flightless bird जो fly नहीं करती? Ostrich. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 5, common plants. So here you have to write the names of some common plants. First is this, the leaf of this tree sometimes used to keep insects from food grades. So neem. The plants that can be grown inside the house, it is heart-shaped leaf. इनकी heart-shaped leaf होती है, that is money plant. It is the fastest growing plant and it can grow up to 100 centimeter in a day. So bamboo. The plant that has needle-like leaves and grows in the area where rainfall is scanty. So it is cactus. The tree of this fruit has a soft trunk and instead of wood, it has layer of leaves. इसमें क्या कहते हैं? Bamboo, नहीं banana. Right, now this chapter has been completed. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 6, animals world. So here you have to name some animals. Now you have learned that mammals give birth to their young ones. ये अपने young one को birth देते हैं and they do not lay eggs. वो eggs lay नहीं करते हैं. But some animals like Plactus from Australia and Echidna from New Guinea lay eggs. So what are such mammals known as? They are known as monotremous. What we call them? Monotremous. What do you call the class of animal which carry their young ones in the pouch, right, in the mother's body? What we call it? Marsupials. Write the name of animal which is quite long like kangaroo and only slightly smaller in size. That is wallabies. What is the approximate height of giraffe? That is 5 meters. In which country would you find black and white rhinoceros with 2 horns? ठीक है, कौन से मिलता है? अफ्रीका, What is the term used for cat family? That is feline family. What we call it? Name the rare vegetarian boar found in China. Which animal is famous for killing snakes? That is mongoose. A thick layer of fat food in a whale's body is known as bilbler. What we call it? Bilbler. You can hear of seahorse. So write the name of another sea animal named after land animal. That is sea cow. What we call it? Sea cow. Right? Now this chapter has been completed. Let's move to the chapter number 7. That is animal behavior. First is bull for strength, fox for chunginess, donkey for stupidity, ठीक है, monkey for mischief, and peacock for pride, dog for faithfulness, goat, elephant is for memory, and goat is for weakness, right? So now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 8, plants and animals. So here India is a adobe of a variety of animals and plants along with the millions of wildlife. You have to use this clue box here. So the natural vegetation in India is almost always of the dash variety. कैसी variety होती है? Tropical variety. The densest tree found in the, कहाँ मिलते हैं आपको? सुंदरबन डेल्टा, मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड इन, जो आपको मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट है वो आपको कहाँ मिलते हैं? वेस्ट बंगाल, गुजरात, ebony and rosewoods are the, क्या है ये आपके? ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन. ट्रॉपिकल वेट ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट है. साल एंड बेम्बू आर डैश फ्लोरा फाउंड इन शिवालिक रीजन. ट्रॉपिकल मॉइस्ट डेसिडियस कैसे हैं आपके? ट्रॉपिकल moist deciduous. Nearly dash species of birds are found. कितनी species हैं? 12,000. India has about dash variety of fresh and marine water fish. The forest cover is most scarce in the dash region, Gangetic region. The forest cover in India constitute dash percent, that is 19.39. 19.39%. As per percentage of forest area, total area, dash has lowest percentage of forest. Haryana. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 9, amazing bird. So the bird which lays largest egg, it's ostrich. Name a beautiful bird, that is peacock. Beautiful bird में आपका parrot. Next is the bird which can stay in sky for more than a day. That is albatross. A bird which is known for hibernate. Hibernate कौन सी करती है? Swift. Guacha. Name the fastest flying bird. That is your token. The bird which has feature of dancing in the rain, that is peacock. Next is the bird which can extinct by 1681, that is dodo. The brightest colored bird with a huge beak. उसकी जो beak होती है वो बहुत huge होती है. That is toucan. The bird with red beak, that is your robin. A migrating bird with long wings and forked tail, that is your swallow. Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 10, name them. I am a favorite seafood, that is your broccoli. It is a flowered plant, right? Growing in damp places. I am a sea animal with hard shell, dragonfly. I am sea creature but not a fish. I am jelly-like body surrounded by tentacles. Right? Tentacles है, hanging thread है, that is coral. I am a small white insect. I often live in colony, which might be 1 million members, and I can do lot of damage. That is Lactus. Right? Next is I have fur on my body and have beak-like of duck. That is termite. I am small sea animal. I often live in large group of colonies. My skeleton has hard and deep white pink. I am jellyfish. I am the fastest of all flying insect, that is lobster. इसके 4 wings होते हैं. I have a vegetable like cauliflower, but I have green or purple flower bird, that is fur. Right, now unit has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.